Let us start our session about quadratic equations. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand the quadratic equations. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square. Nature of roots. Before we move on to the current topic, let us know what is an equation. It is an expression in which there is always an equality sign, equals. The equality sign shows that the value of the expression to the left of the equal sign, that is, the left-hand side or LHS, is equal to the value of the expression to the right of the equal sign, that is, the right-hand side or RHS. Look at an example for this. Consider an equation 2x minus 3 equals 7. It is a variable. It is equality sign, and it is an equation. Here, 2x minus 3 is left-hand side, and 7 is right-hand side. Now let us know the types of equations available. There are different types of equations available. Few of them are linear equations, quadratic equations. In this chapter we will discuss only about quadratic equations. A quadratic equation is one type of polynomial, which is a second-order polynomial equation in a single variable x. Hint: the highest power of x in the polynomial is called the order or degree of the polynomial. The quadratic equation can be represented as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers with a is not equal to 0. Note that a quadratic polynomial in x is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. When we equate this polynomial to 0, we will get a quadratic equation, that is, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Let's check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. 4x squared plus 5x plus 4 equals 0. This equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equal to 0, hence forms a quadratic equation. X squared minus 4x equals 0. This equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a is not equal to 0, hence forms a quadratic equation. X plus 15 equals 0. Here, the x squared term is missing, hence, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Now that we are able to identify the quadratic equations, let's now learn how to represent quadratic equations from given scenarios, that is, word problems.